What's up guys, for today's video we're going to put to the test mini wood camping stove. It's about 20 bucks. Let's see what this thing is all about. Boom. Wow, nice. Looks like it's all set up in a little holder like this. Beautiful. I like how it separates, so it makes it a lot smaller. Looks like the top. Boom. Now let's see how it works. So looks like it's very simple. Right here goes inside. Boom. Then this insert goes inside here, just like that. And then the top goes inside here. And let me show you. This side here, the legs for your pot. This is awesome. Look how big it is once you unfold it. Okay, let's light it up and see if it's hard to light it up. I got here birch bark. That should be really easy to strike it and light it. Also, I prepare a whole bunch of small twigs right here. I'll break them up. As soon as I light it, I'll put the small twigs first and then the bigger twigs once the small twigs light up really good. So let's see if we're going to succeed. There you go. Then we're gonna put all that birch bark inside there. It's burning, and then we're going to stick a little twigs in there too. Probably have to break them up, otherwise they won't fit. There you go. Birch bark is a perfect fire starter. And as you can see, there is plenty of ventilation from the bottom, so all that wind going through so good, so that's why I don't even have to blow on it. It's just going to light up itself. As you can see, very easily you can find those little twigs all over. You gotta start with the smaller ones first to get the good fire going. Even with all these wet little twigs, it's burning so well without any kind of candle and just a bark. That's it. You see all that heavy smoke? Those twigs are just a little wet, that's why. But it will dry out in a little bit. Now I know it's burning good. I can put some bigger pieces in there, so that way we can build up some coals in there. You can just break up bigger sticks with a knife or something, and now we can add on the bigger pieces in there like that, little chips, so that way more can fit. So we have good coals to cook and boil water on. We have a heavy gust of wind, and as you can see, it's actually lighting up even more. By the way, when you put pot holder on top, check this out. The flames are going to the top and concentrated right here. That way you can add on your pot, and look at that. This side here opening, so if you want to still feed it more firewood, more little twigs. So that's really smart. I like that a lot. I'm actually going to move it into the shade, so that way we can actually see the flame. When it's burned hot, it's actually burning from the holes over here, the flames. If you look at it closer, you can actually see that. That's so beautiful. It looks like a gas stove. And once you add on this top, boom. Once again, look how well it's burning on a minimum sticks. Very, very minimum sticks. It's a big flame. If you look up close up, the flame are coming off just like from a stove, from the side, from those holes. So when we add on pot of water, boom, check this out. All the flame heat in the pot. And let's see how long it will take to boil the water. And once again, look how easy it is to add on sticks just to the side right here. And you don't need anything bigger than these sticks. So far it's probably my favorite mini camp stove because I don't need any gas or any fuel. All I have to do is find little twigs, which is everywhere. You can find twigs so easily, and it's burned so efficiently, I cannot believe it. Honestly, I like this stove better than this one because gas, you gotta continue keep buying gas. I do love this camp stove as well. Honestly, it's a tie because this one is a little bit bigger than this one, and you do need a gas for this one. But although it's smaller, and if there's no twigs at all, I would still use this camp stove. But if the twigs are abundant where you're gonna go, I would definitely take this stove and not waste any gas. It's so efficient. I cannot believe it. Look at these flames. Let's open it up. It's heating up. It's going to start boiling soon. It's a big pot. Just add on 1 or 2 twigs once in a while, so that way it does not burn out. But don't fill it up too much or it will start smoking and flames are not going to be as big. So I'll just have a couple of sticks, break them up once in a while and it don't into there. I can hear it starting to boil. Maybe a couple more minutes and we're going to have a boiled water. About 10 minutes in, boom, look at that. We got heavy boiled water. That's what we want. It's really cold outside right now. So as soon as I open the lid, it's going to stop boiling. Look at that. It's boiling again. Now I can take off this pot. Boom, check this out. I love the way it's burning. It's so beautiful. And it's filled up with a bunch of coals in there. So it's going to burn a very long time. No problem there. Anyways, I'm gonna put it all out. Ooh yeah, it's hot. Once it cools off, you can put it all away. I wonder how does this one go. Oh, like this, boom. Look how tiny that is when you put it all away. Wow, so awesome. In my opinion, this is amazing. Look how little that is. And also, it didn't really burn out at all. Actually, looks really beautiful with this burnt color, even better than it used to be. Okay, once it's all cooled off, let me show you how it goes. As you can see, very easy to put it away in this thing. And then you tie it up, ready to be used once again. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below, what do you think about this mini wooden stove. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and I'll see you next time.